Hey fam, it's Miss D here to get you in step with an instructional video of your favorite line dance. Now today we are doing Bad Boy Having a Party by Luther Vandross. It is a one wall dance and it is 4 counts of 8. All right, so let's get started. Okay, turning my back to make it easier to follow. Right, this is my right, this is my left. The first count of 8 is simply footwork. All right, so let's go through it. Step out with the right to the side, step out with the left to the side, and then step up with the right, and then step back with the left. Okay? And each is 2 counts. So it's out right, out left, up right, back left. Okay? And the count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? First count of 8, done. All right? Second count of 8 are 3 half turns. All right? And so how we get there, we just came out of 5, 6, 7, 8. We're going to rock step on the right, 1, 2. Okay? And then from here, you start your half turns. You're going to turn over your right shoulder. This foot is up. So we turn 3 and 4. Okay? Keep turning, another half turn. 5 and 6, all right? And then one more half turn, 7 and 8, okay? So now let me explain something. With those half turns, I just did cha-cha steps, but you can also do the trail ride version, which is 2 steps, all right? So let's do that. Ready? So we're going to step 1, 2, all right? And then start the turn, 2 steps, 3, 4. I just did 3. It's a habit. It's a bad habit, all right? So let me try it again. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and then keep going. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So however you want to turn to get there, you can. You can either do it with the cha-cha or 2 steps. All right. Either one, as long as you make 3 half turns and you end up facing the back. All right. Ready? So let's try it. 5, 6, 7, 8. Rock 1, 2, turn 3, 4, turn 5, 6, turn 7, 8. Okay? All right. So let's put counts 1 and 2 together. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Rock 1, 2, turn 3, 4, turn 5, 6, turn 7, 8. Okay? From here, third count of 8 are body rolls. We're going to do 4 of them, right? And you start with the left foot. You roll up. Each one has a count of 2. Roll up, 2. And then with the right, step up and roll. 3, 4. And then step back with the right. 5, 6. And then step back with the left. 7, 8. Okay? So we just did our rolls. We just did our turns. And now we're stepping, starting with the left. Left 1, 2, right 1, 2, right 1, 2, left 1, 2. Okay? Let's try it again. Left, up, right, up, right, back, left, back. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? And you don't have to roll. You can step it if you want, all right? It's really up to you. Okay? That's the third count of 8. So let's put all that together. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Right out, right front, left back. Now rock and turn and turn and turn. Now roll your body up, then back and back. Okay? All right. From here, the fourth count of 8, we're doing knee out and up and half turns. So we're getting back to the front. Remember, this is a one wall dance, all right? So we just rolled back. Our weight is on the left foot, okay? So we're going to take our right foot and step out and up, okay? And then switch out and up, okay? So we just rolled left, then right, right back, left back. Now switch your weight so that you can step on with your right. Out, up, out, up. Okay? 1, 2, and 3, 4. Okay? From here, we're going to step in 5, 6, it's a quarter turn, 7, 8, another quarter turn. So you're really doing a half turn, just taking 2 quarters to get there, okay? And you get there the best way you can. So you see a lot of people roll with it, 5, 6, 7, 8. Some people might step with it, 5, 6, 7, 8. I see one person who's really smooth. I love to watch her dance. She just moves smooth with it, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? However you want to do, put your flavor on it. Just get there, right? You got 4 counts to do it, okay? So let's try that last count of 8. Ready? We just went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Now roll 6, 7, 8. Okay? All right, try one more time. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4. Now 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? All right, those are the 4 counts. So let's put them all together. Ready? We'll go slow. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now rock 2 and turn 4, turn 6, turn 8. Now left, up, right, back, left, back. Now right, up, left, up. Now turn 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2. All right, that's it. That was Bad Boy Instructional. Hopefully this was helpful to you. If it was, please leave me a comment, like, share, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you with the next instructional. Y'all be good. Have a good time, y'all. Take care. I love you. Mwah.